Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to my channel, Odyssey of Ascension. As you can probably tell by the title, I am announcing my workshop that I'm having this year. It is August 22nd, 3rd, and 4th in Sebastopol, California. I'm going to pull it up and then go ahead and share the screen with you about that, and we can go over the details. So what we're doing is a 3-day event. And let me move this here. There we go. And I'll go ahead and share the screen. It's a 3-day event, and it's called Pathway to Ascension Workshop / Channeling with Roxanne. So we're going to do a Friday night idea, which is a standalone channeling. And you also have the Saturday and Sunday workshops. And it's going to be held at Soft Medicine Sanctuary in Sebastopol, California, and it's between you can either fly into Sacramento or you can fly into San Francisco and drive up there. Lots of Airbnbs, wine country, gorgeous. It's going to be a fantastic workshop. Now, if you want to go for the channeling only, that's Friday night only. It's $50 for 2-hour channeling Q&A. Included with that. Saturday, $450 for Saturday and Sunday workshop. And if you purchase the workshop, you automatically get the Friday night channeling included. Okay, and you can get to this by clicking my link below, and there will be a pop-up. It's a special event, or you can just go to the tab, and it will be right there. So, this workshop is going to be focused on everything that we have come here to do in the possibility of awakening. And since you are awake and you are understanding there's more to you than just the version of the brain has created as a personality, and instead of living that self, you deconstruct that self. We give you tools and of recognizing and deconstructing your belief systems. Start building the persona of yourself. It is a great workshop. We did this one last year. It was phenomenal. People love it. And when you get into the room and you're in the presence of Sylvester and Martha or Osifius or whoever else is going to be teaching, it's usually Slide does most of the teaching. The entire vibration is just stunning. So I highly recommend this workshop. It'll be a fantastic time. This is going to be change for you, movement for you, evolution for you. And remember, there's no one that can do this for you. I wish there was. I wish there was a magic pill. I wish there was one thing that you can do or say, and poof, that was it. You were arisen, you're ascended master, the veil is dropped, all the truths of conditionings and resistance or forgetfulness are washed away, but it's not. It's a master class, and we're doing the work. A light bearer ascends themselves, offering light to those who wish to find and become their own self, their own light, their own kingdom once again. So I highly recommend that. It's a fantastic class. I'm a great teacher. Sly's a great teacher. You'll walk away with an entire new scope of reality. And it won't be one of those where you go and you feel good, you get pumped up, and then you're back to the routine by Monday or Tuesday. You don't want that. You want change. You want valuable, tangible, executable skill sets that allow you to recognize and evolve yourself through your choices, through the recognition of your internal intelligent self, through the trust and courage to choose that self. Watch yourself change. Watch the world around you change. Watch the people and the versions you attract change. It's great work. All right? So please consider that. Sign up on the website. If you have any questions, just hit the contact Roxanne on my website, and you will email me, and I will get back with you. We can talk on the phone. We can have a Zoom call. We can answer by email. But usually if it's a long idea and there's a lot in question, I will talk to you because I like to talk more than type stuff out like that. Anyways, I love you guys. We will see you all in the next now, okay?